As a result of the COVID containment measures, or what is known as the lockdown, what has happened is more or less what was expected to those who knew what the structure of the Indian economy was. What has happened is that immediately incomes were destroyed because work disappeared. And in the context of an economy where the vast majority of the workforce is informal and usually earns and eats on a daily basis, जो रोज कुआं खोदते हैं, रोज पानी पीते हैं, जब ज्यादातर लोगों की ये हालत हो और जो हम लोगों ने कई सालों में जिस समस्या का हल हम लोग नहीं ढूंढ पाए हैं, जब ये हालत है तो कोविड जैसा जब लॉकडाउन होता है तो उसके परिणाम तो सबको साफ ही नजर है, पहले से पता है कि क्या परिणाम होने वाले हैं. Those who instantly lose work also lose their incomes, and if they do not have savings, they immediately are impacted in a very profound way. Food insecurity increases, they go into debt, and many of the kinds of things that we have seen already happen. We spoke to around 5,000 workers across 12 states in India. In urban areas, nearly 80% of those who we spoke to had lost their employment. Those who did have employment experienced a very large decline in their earnings because, of course, economic activity had been shut down, so that was expected. The drop in earnings was again large, 65 to 70% drop. As a result of this, food insecurity increased. Nearly 70% of the households said that they had been consuming less food than they were before the lockdown. People had barely enough money to buy essentials for the next 1 or 2 weeks, and so forth. So a sudden increase in precarity and vulnerability, and I'm not even going into the migrant crisis.